It's really tough to run with the tripod and the camera, but I'm doing it for you guys. So like to banta hai. We got flowers here. One more flower. One more flower. One more flower. Almost I ran for 2 hours. काफ़ी अच्छा था, बहुत बढ़िया फीलिंग था. 2 घंटे के लिए दौड़ना इज़ लाइक समथिंग बिग फॉर मी. काफ़ी दिन बाद निकला एंड इट इज़ गुड. सो जब मैं साइकिलिंग नहीं करता उस टाइम पे मैंने रनिंग करना रहता है, क्योंकि कुछ फिटनेस वर्कआउट होना चाहिए, एक्टिविटी चलते रहना चाहिए. सो नाउ लेट्स गो होम, लेट्स गेट द बाइक एंड लेट्स सी what parts I run on my bicycle. So I'll be doing the bike check video. मैं मेरे बाइक में क्या पार्ट्स रन करता हूँ, क्यों रन करता हूँ, वो सारी चीज़ें, वो सारे अपडेट्स मैं अभी आपको देता हूँ. So the run is complete. I'm going back home and अभी the plan is like अभी पूरा मतलब late हो गया. It is 7:23 in the evening. I'll go home, get fresh. कल सुबह बाइक लेंगे, we'll go out and उसके बाद में हम करेंगे फिल्म बाइक चेक वीडियो. So it feels good ना, काफ़ी weird लग रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा वियर्ड लग रहा है, बट ओके, इट्स ओके. चलना इतना बड़ा ट्राइपॉड लेके. So let's start with the main thing first, the frame and the fork of this bicycle. This is Inspired Arcade 2017 model frame and fork. This color was launched in 2017, that's why the model name is 2017. Next, we will switch to the handlebar position. This is Inspired Arcade high riser handlebar with Trialtech 80x40 stem. This is the perfect combination for the tall rider even as well as the shorter riders, so you could have proper posture while riding the bicycle. Let's switch on the drive frame. This is Sram GX Eagle 170mm in length crankset with the Aerozine 19mm cross country and road bike. This is Inspired version 2 Sprocket 22 teeth. At the back it is 15 teeth cogged by Trialtech and the chain is KMC Z610. As per the wheel set, it is Spank Spike 33mm wide range with Hope Pro 4 Evo hubs. This is single speed trials hub and it is laced with the help of Sapim double butted spokes. And on this the tire is with the signature tire by Danny McCaskill himself. This is Continental. Apart from this, in the front wheel also it is Hope Pro 4 hub. It is with the 15mm through axle hub. So we'll talk about the brakes. It is Magura MT7 in the front and the back both, but in the front it is Magura MT7 Pro. In this it is 1 finger lever and the rear one is normal MT7 2 finger lever. Well, there is no such difference in the braking power, so later I'll be switching to SC3 lever edition at the back, so I have to order it once the lockdown gets over and I will use it on my rear brake. And the caliper of this brake is 4 piston, so it is highly powerful. Now apart from this, if you see, this is the spacer. This is a carbon spacer which I am using. Later I'll be cutting off my fork. It is little high according to myself, so once the lockdown gets over I'll be cutting off the fork and then I'll be putting it back to its position. The pedals, this is Inspired version 2 pedals with the long spikes on it. So these spikes are really important to have good grip with the shoes while doing these skills, because you see I do skills which considers jumps and the hop from very big obstacles, which means you should have proper gripping on the bike, which is the point of contact should be really good. On the grip wise, it is inspired version 2 grip. The lock on grips, this is best. I will recommend you to have this one because while in rain it does not comes off from handlebar. As per the seat, it is inspired version 2 tripod seat. This is having really clearance gap. Apart from this, the rotor wise, it is 180 mm Shimano Ice-Tech rotor in the front and at the back it is Magura SC Storm rotor. I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया है. अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो please hit the like button. Share this video as much as possible with your family members and your friends, those who are interested in riding bikes or in the cycling world, because this channel is all about cycling and the lifestyle of an athlete. And अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो इस चैनल को and press the bell icon. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.